Good evening, everyone. You got Kody Ashmore bringing you March 7th free options video, and it's going to be a little bit different today. And what I'm wanting to cover is something what I've been doing with the quick hits charts, and it's what I've been doing with it. So something I feel as my job as a trader here at Simpler Trading is to provide everyone solutions to trading. Like regardless how it's doing, yes, I have a trading plan, yes, I trade, but how can I provide you solutions? And I feel, or one would assume, that some people, not everyone, has a capital issue, right? Funding. Do you have money, things like that to trade or to make a living by, right? And so I'm sure many of you have heard of there's tons of them now. A lot of evaluation type services where you pay a fee, you go through the evaluations, and then if you pass all their requirements, then they give you capital to trade for them until you break a rule again, then you'll have to go back through it, that type of thing. But what I am wanting to present to y'all, so what I've been doing, if you're unaware, on my YouTube channel, Active Profits, every morning I've been putting out what I call my plan of attack. It's basically how I've been doing all these SPX 0DT trades, right? I do them every morning, Monday through Friday, and they're good for SPX trades. But I wanted to know if I could apply to one of these funding services, and I chose to do Top Step. The reason I chose Top Step is because I think their rules are the most strenuous or most strenuous is the right word to say. They have a lot of rules. And so if I could take my plan of attack that I plan every single day and take that plan and trade futures on their service to get funded, then I believe it's a valuable trading plan. So what I'm getting at is I've been doing those plan of attacks, and I took it to Top Step. I went through their combine, and I'm bringing it up to you because I passed their step 2. So now it's funding. So now I'll be funded in their live account. So what I'm getting at, the reason I'm presenting this to you, because it is a free service. When I say free service, I mean my plan of attack is free. So if you want to start seeing it, like I said, or head over to Active Profits, and you can see all my plan of attacks and my trade recaps for trading 0 days to expiration. But if you want to change it a little bit and trade futures with it based off the plan, because it's all the same, then and potentially get access to funding from another service, and then potentially become a full-time trader from that avenue, then that is a way I believe I'm helping y'all. So that's what I wanted to present to y'all today. So you can pick the plan of attack that I've been doing, like I mentioned, and then apply it to any of the evaluation services. Like I mentioned, there's a bunch out there, but I did Top Step because they are they're more picky, if you will. But I said, you can see I passed step 2. My goal was to grow it to 106,000, hit a profit target of $6,000. And you see my average losing day was 506. Average winning was a little over 1,000. Largest winner was about 18. And you can see I only had one losing day. So it's consistent is all I'm getting at. Nice steady gains up until you hit the target, and then you get the live capital, if you will. But yeah, there's no reason for me to break down today's trade that I did that made a what I make today, like 1,400 bucks. But there's no reason to break it down because it's in the plan of attack, like I said, in this area. But I just wanted to tell all of you here that are watching this video, there's a free service, and I see a ton of because like Top Step has like a Facebook group community, and there's always tons of comments of people failing, and I think there's a lot of reasons why, but a lot of them I think don't have a plan. And I'm pointing to you now. Here is a plan to where you can see them and have your plan to test it out and potentially get funded. But that's all I have for you on the free video. Other than that, the market did sell off today quite a bit, obviously, right? On above average volume. We're coming down to the lows, so the question is, do we break further? But the discussion I wanted to be was to present to y'all there's a plan for you to help you potentially get funded if that is something you're interested in. If not, it's also good for doing 0-day expiration SPX trades. But that's all, everyone. Have an awesome day. Be disciplined, follow your rules, honor your risk, and I'll see y'all the next time I'm on the list to make the videos. Take care, everybody.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me